Funding for Humanities Texas, the state's Humanities Council, slashed.
Yeah, the Austin-based nonprofit known for supporting hundreds of arts and cultural groups across the state say they learned of the cuts last week. KVUE's Brianna Perez explains the impact this will have.
We are often the only source of support for some of these small communities that are doing remarkable things at the grassroots level.
For over 50 years, Executive Director for Humanities Texas, Eric Lupfer, says the organization has supported funding for libraries and museums, as well as offering support for teachers through various programs. While Humanities Texas uses a combination of federal, state, and private money, they say without the National Endowment for Humanities, a $2.6 million grant, they lose about 65% of their annual budget.
There's real concern nationally about the federal deficit and about efficient use of government resources, and certainly we understand that and are in favor of that. But I would argue that Humanities Texas is an example of a very efficient use of government resources.
Since their inception, Lupfer says they have awarded over 700 grants to more than 180 Austin organizations for a wide range of public programs. One of those organizations is the Library Foundation.
Without the Humanities Texas funding, we would really be limited in what we could offer the community.
Tim Staley, executive director of the organization, says they have received support from Humanities Texas for years. Most recently in January, they were awarded $7,500 that they put towards their Mayor's Book Club, a citywide reading campaign that allows the community to meet the author.
Likely wouldn't be able to bring in these authors from around the country, even around the world, here to our library and to discuss these titles on a very personal basis with Austin readers. It's Humanities Texas funding that allows us to provide that for the community.
Staley says organizations will now need to look for other avenues to find funding. Meanwhile, Humanities Texas says they are working on a plan to move forward and secure more funding to keep bringing the arts to Central Texans. Reporting in Austin, Brianna Perez, KVUE News.